Yes, you can create compelling videos without showing your face. I'm Cheryl Tan with Cheryl Tan Media. We help startups to Fortune 500 companies build their media authority and communicate better on video. Subscribe to this channel to get social video strategies for your marketing team. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon and you won't miss a thing. Video is a highly effective way to create a connection with your audience, and it helps if you're on camera, whether you're facing the camera or being interviewed, but you're on camera. And that will always be my recommendation. I have a whole list of videos that I'll link to in the description below that focuses on ways you can be more comfortable in front of the camera. But you can still create compelling video content even if you're not on video. How? Number one, cover everything with B-roll and make the B-roll good. If you're making this type of video, you will have to plan a bit in advance. Before you record it, think about different video clips you can shoot with your phone that you can use to illustrate what you're talking about in your video. If you're talking about organizing your closet, for example, shoot video of you organizing your closet. Remember to shoot your video horizontally if these videos will be used on YouTube, or you can use pictures in your camera roll to include in your video. Your audience will hear your voice, but see pictures and video. Here's how the actual video shoot would look. You would sit in front of the camera as if you were shooting a regular video and you speak. You run through your entire video. That will be what is called the A-roll. If you're editing, it's the base layer of your video to include the audio. The B-roll would be the pictures and video that will cover your face entirely. You can watch this video for a tutorial I made to show you how to edit simple videos. You don't always have to shoot the video footage yourself. You can use stock footage with narration. There are plenty of websites that have stock footage you can buy and use in your videos. If you decide to use this method, you could record your voice straight into your phone or into a microphone connected to your laptop, and then cover the video with stock footage. My go-to online video editor is WeVideo. In WeVideo, you can see there's an option to narrate. Once I click this button, the program will connect to my microphone. I will say my piece. When I have finished, I will have a clip that will just be my voice. I can then use stock footage or any other type of B-roll to illustrate what I'm talking about. Many editing programs offer this capability. Next tip, use screen recordings to show your online work. I use this all the time to take viewers into my video editing programs or into my Zoom account, or just to show them what I'm working on online. You can take screenshots or you can use screen recordings. Both are effective ways of giving your viewers a look behind the scenes of your business. A lot of times when I'm trying to record something quickly on my computer screen, I just use QuickTime because it is installed already. I have a Mac. It will give me an option to record the screen or a portion of the screen. WeVideo will allow you to record the screen, and it will also allow you to record your face in a box alongside the screen, so you have a couple of options there. Here's another idea. Create a slide deck using any one of the platforms out there. PowerPoint, Canva, Google Slides, Keynote. You can put pictures and videos into the slide presentation. You can tell stories. You can create beautiful graphics, and it can all be presented with your camera turned off. To me, using Zoom is the easiest way to record a presentation. You just open up your presentation and hit record on Zoom. Make sure your camera is turned off. Some of my clients like the idea of presenting the PowerPoint and leaving the camera on. So if you record the presentation in Zoom, you can have the benefit of the slides, but still be seen in the corner. It gives you the best of both worlds, really. And one more, get interviews of other people. If the goal is to tell the stories of your business, to showcase what you do, maybe the most effective way to do that is to encourage your customers, clients, your employees to get on camera. You can ask them questions about their experiences working with you or your company. You could ask them to describe why they enjoy working with you. You could have them talk about the results they have achieved. They are on camera and not you. Mix and match some or all of these ideas to create a compelling video, whether you are on camera or not. Let me know which tip you'll incorporate into your next video, and if there's something you'd like to learn more about, let me know that as well in the comments below. Remember, no one sees a video you don't create. I'm happy to share with you a video script template I share with my students. It's called the PST Framework, and I'll put the link to get it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.